Hello everyone, I am Alan. We're going to see the sixth experiment here, that is a single pass assembler for SIC. The aim is to simulate the concept of single pass assembler for simplified instructional computer. So let's see the program. So first we are importing Java, buffer read, buffer writer, file reader, file writer, and IO exception, and UI until hashtagable. And then we are creating a public class called assembler, and then a public static void main string with arrays to throw the expression. And then so we're using the buffer reader here and creating a new buffer, and then we're using a string line title, then an integer, we're creating two integers, that is LC is equal to 0 and start is equal to 0, and for a for loop, line is equal to break dot read line, and if the null dot constant is equal to start, we are going to use the string C is equal to line dot split with the title is equal to C with array 0. Then if the C dot length is equal to 3, that is 3 times long, we're going to start the integer. Otherwise we're going to start by 0 and LC as 0. We are giving the WR dot write line, and then if else if the line dot contains the end, else if the line dot contains the other end. That is if the pass one simple update line as the line opcode system LC and writer, and then we are going to start the integer line is equal to LC dot start and LC is equal to start, then break dot close and write dot close. The buffer reader BR1 is equal to new buffer reader and the new file reader. If line dot contains start, and then the system dot out dot println h and plus title plus 26 integer to extra string start, and then to start to plus to string integer and to extra string length. So these are all the outputs we are giving, that is for printing HETTE, that is the compiler run, and then using the second pass line and to break the first one, and then we're using the second one, and then we're creating the private static int is pass2, and for the for loop here we are giving the integer x is equal to word dot length, and then the word we are giving as 0 plus word, and then we are returning the word. And if else if the line contains the word, we are going to give the object code is equal to object code plus the starting we gave one integer here, that one will be added here, and then we are returning with LC with we are giving the static integer as private here, so that no other so that the function can't be called again in the program. And then we are printing if the C1 matches, it is going to print it matches, else if it doesn't print, it's going to print as invalid label name. And else if the equals is given to word, else if the C1 gives equals a word, we are going to write the integer to extra string. Then the LC plus equal to 3 and else if is equal the same. So this is the program. Last we are going to give the buffer reader here, and the program is built successfully here. As you can see, the HTTE for copying all the code here, that is the 00400 code. So this assembler is built successfully. Thank you.